We also have with us Mr. Bob Bradway, Chairman and CEO, Amgen, Ms. Jennifer Larson, U.S. Consul General, Hyderabad. May I request all our dignitaries to step back behind the ribbon cutting area. I also request Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Mr. Shakti Nagapan, Ms. Meelin Kha, Ms. Suzy Taponi, Mr. Som Chattopadhyay, and Mr. Naveen Gulapalli to join our dignitaries. I request our Honorable CM and Mr. Bob Bradway to formally inaugurate Amgen India by cutting the ribbon. May I request other dignitaries to kindly hold the ribbon? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you to all our dignitaries. May I request you all to kindly step forward for lighting the ceremonial lamp. Ladies and gentlemen, lamp lighting is a deep-rooted Indian tradition. It is said that it's with the arrival of light that darkness disappears, and light makes it possible for all of us to see things clearly. I request other dignitaries to join our Honorable Chief Minister and Mr. Bob Bradway to light the lamp, please. Maybe if we can have you all around the lamp for a quick group picture. I request if you all can just come together for a group picture, sir. Just one group picture. Yes. I request, okay, sir. I request our dignitaries to take the back right exit. Amgen team to take the left exit, and please take your seats in the stage area. Members from the media, you can take the back right exit, and we'll see you in the main stage area. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, requesting you all to please take your seats. Our dignitaries will be joining us here in just about a few moments. Please settle down. May I request you all to kindly switch off your mobile phones and keep them on silent mode? Ladies and gentlemen, we request you all to kindly settle down. Our team members at the back, if you all can take your seats, please keep the aisle clear. We also request you all to kindly refrain from any movement for the duration of the inauguration ceremony. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming our dignitaries as they enter the inauguration area. Let's put our hands together for our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri A. Revanth Reddy Garu. Also joining him is our Honorable Minister for IT, ENC, INC and LA Government of Telangana, Shri D. Sridhar Babu. Mr. Bob Bradway, Chairman and CEO Amgen. Ms. Jennifer Larson, U.S. Consul General, Hyderabad. Mr. Derek Miller, Senior Vice President, Human Resources. Mrs. Som Chattopadhyay, National Executive, India, Amgen. Mr. Naveen Gulapalli, Managing Director, Amgen, India. We're also joined today by Mr. Jayesh Ranjan, Special Chief Secretary, Department of Commerce and Industries, Government of Telangana, and Mr. Shakti Nagapan, Director, Life Sciences and Pharma, and CEO, Telangana Life Sciences Foundation, Government of Telangana. Please settle down. We request you all to please settle down. Thank you. Namaskar, a very, very good morning to each and everyone present here. My name is Shilpa, and it's with great pleasure and delight I extend a very warm welcome to all of you to the inauguration of Amgen India. Delighted that we are joined by our dignitaries. Thank you to them. By Team Amgen India, we have members from the media. We're also joined by Amgen team globally who are watching us through live feeds, so extending a warm welcome to you all as well. Ladies and gentlemen, about 40 years back, Amgen was established to support the biotechnology industry. And as we speak, it remains a leader in cutting edge of innovation using technology and human genetic data to push beyond what's known today. It harnesses the best of biology and technology and fight the world's toughest diseases and make people's life easier, fuller, and longer. Amgen discovers, develops, manufactures, and delivers innovative medicine and help millions of patients. A step forward in this mission of serving patients, Amgen India will play a pivotal role with an initial focus on building and scaling advanced technology solutions and digital capabilities. Amgen India will bring brave new thinking to everything we do as we move science faster than ever before to fight the world's toughest diseases. On that note, I'd like to direct your attention onto the screen for a short audiovisual on Amgen India. Can we have the AV, please?
Biotechnology has helped humanity in ways that were once unthinkable. And for over 4 decades, since the dawn of the biotech industry, Amgen has been developing life-changing medicines. We use technology and human genetic data to push beyond what's known today. We harness the best of biology and technology to fight the world's toughest diseases. And now, as the world seeks innovation to respond to the needs of an aging population, we open the doors to our new technology and innovation site in India. With brave new thinking at its core, Amgen India will fuel our mission to serve patients across the globe.
Amgen India unlocks new capabilities and possibilities for the enterprise. Incredible talent works in our innovative and collaborative environment to help shape the future of biotech. Our workspace fosters creativity, inclusivity, belonging, and well-being. Together, we create new ideas and solutions to serve more patients.
By merging technology and biotechnology and using AI and high-performance computing for generative biology, we are transforming drug discovery and development to positively impact patients' life, which gives me a profound sense of purpose.
It's exciting to know that the work I'm doing has a global reach and is driving innovation across Amgen.
This is our moment to lead with purpose,
Innovate with passion,
And solve the unsolvable.
We are excited to build the future and move science faster than ever before. Our goal is to make people's lives easier, fuller, and longer. Let's reimagine what's possible. Let's embrace the brave new thinking, because at Amgen India, this is just the beginning.
Thank you for attention, ladies and gentlemen. I would now like to invite our dignitaries on stage. Our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri A. Revant Reddy Garu, sir, please requesting you to take a seat on dais. Our Honorable Minister for IT, Shri D. Sridhar Babu Garu, Mr. Bob Bradway, Chairman and CEO Amgen, Ms. Jennifer Larson, U.S. Consul General Hyderabad, Mr. Derek Miller, Senior Vice President Human Resources, sir, please requesting you to take a seat at the dais. And Mr. Som Chattopadhyay, National Executive India Amgen. And with that, I'd also like to invite Mr. Som onto the podium, requesting him to deliver the welcome address.
Thank you. Namaste. It's an absolute honor and a privilege to stand before you on this momentous occasion, the inauguration of Amgen India. It's just not an opening of the facility, it's a realization of a vision that reflects Amgen's commitment to innovation, collaboration, and global health. We gather here in the heart of Hyderabad, a city that has become synonymous with innovation and excellence, to mark the beginning of an exciting new chapter, not only for Amgen or not only for Hyderabad, but more importantly for the patients we serve around the world. I would like to begin by extending my deepest gratitude and heartfelt welcome to our distinguished guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Dr. Sridhar Babu, Honorable Minister of IT and Industries, Sri Jayesh Ranjan, Special Secretary to IT&C and Industry Commerce, Government of Telangana, Sri Shakti Nagappan, CEO of Telangana Life Science, Government of Telangana, and Ms. Jennifer Larson, U.S. Consul General. Thank you all for coming. We appreciate you being here and blessing us. We are deeply grateful for all of your presence today and the role you have played in making this moment possible. I'm honored to welcome Bob Bradway, our CEO and Chairman, whose vision and support has guided us and made this thing a reality today. And to Derek Miller, our SVP of Human Resource, thank you for your leadership and for championing the people and culture that makes Amgen a great place to work. Not only a great place to work, but to innovate in support of our mission to find new cures for millions of patients who are waiting for us. Today's celebration would not have happened without the hard work and dedication of all of you present and our colleagues around the world. The story of this site is one of vision, determination, and a relentless pursuit of excellence. In 78 days from contract signing, we have a fully operational site with 300 employees, another 300 joining, and by the end of the year, we will have north of 2,000 people. This site will be a hub of innovation, a place where talent, technology, and science come together to solve complex problems, unlock new possibilities, and serve patients globally. As I look ahead, filled with optimism and excitement, together we have an opportunity to push boundaries, innovate boldly, and to make a lasting impression on global health. Here's to brave new thinking, a future filled with innovation, collaboration, and opportunity to make a meaningful difference. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mr. Som, for that, setting the tone for the event and for the warm welcome. I now request Mr. Derek Miller, Senior Vice President, Human Resources, to share a few words with us.
Thank you and good morning. I'd like to again welcome the Honorable Minister, our other dignified guests for joining us today. Thank you. Your presence reaffirms for us a shared commitment to innovation and healthcare advancement. I'd also like to welcome all of our Amgen staff joining here this morning. It's your presence here that makes this possible, so thank you very much. Amgen has always been at the forefront of biotechnology, driven by our clear mission to serve patients, as Sam just mentioned. And today, as we open Amgen India, we really take an important step forward in harnessing the power of advanced technology to accelerate our ability to bring breakthrough medicines to people who so desperately need them. We are living in what we've talked about as a pivotal moment where biotechnology and technology are converging at a truly unprecedented pace. We're very excited about that as we see artificial intelligence, data science, digital innovation. They're transforming and accelerating literally every aspect of our work, and in doing so, significantly reducing the time needed to address and solve challenges, all, of course, in service of bringing vital medicines to patients. This technology and innovation site will be key to realizing and driving that change going forward. We selected Hyderabad as the home for Amgen India because of the world-class talent that exists here and the ecosystem that nurtures innovation. The government of Telangana's efforts in this regard are truly commendable. I've had the pleasure of meeting many of you, many new colleagues here, and can say without question that you each will play a critical role in shaping the future of biotechnology. The important work that we do here will touch every corner of our global organization and will no doubt have a positive impact on the lives of patients around the world. So as we inaugurate this site today, I want to emphasize that innovation is not just about technology, it's about people and it's about culture too. And we appreciate all of your efforts in that regard. Together, we're going to push the boundaries of what's possible and continue to deliver on Amgen's mission to serve patients. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Mr. Durek. Being a Hyderabadi myself, which I'm sure a lot of here will also agree that welcome to Hyderabad, one of the best cities to live, work, and grow in. I now invite Ms. Jennifer Larson to kindly share her thoughts with all of us.
Good morning, everyone. It's wonderful to see so many people here today and to see finally Amgen opening its doors officially here in Hyderabad. To the Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Revant Reddy, and of course, the Honorable IT Minister, Shri Sridhar Babu. Of course, my friends here, Jayesh, Bob, Dave, Som, Naveen, and friends and dignitaries here. I was just at the Mahakumbh Mela for the past couple of days, and then coming back to Hyderabad. For those of you who don't know, it's taking a dip in the Ganges with 500 million people, so you're your best friends. And to come from there last night and then to come to Hyderabad this morning, really I think is just shows how incredible India is. It's really just so many universes unto itself. I am happy to call Hyderabad home. And I really congratulate Amgen on choosing Hyderabad and the ecosystem here as the place that you've chosen to start your adventure here in India. I'm sure many of you followed the recent visit from Prime Minister Modi to Washington, where he met with President Trump at the White House. Their discussions covered a lot of ground, as reflected in the joint leader statement, and I won't go into the details there. One significant outcome was the launch of the US-India Trust Initiative, which is to promote collaboration in critical and emerging technologies, something both of our countries really need. And I think Amgen's decision to expand its footprint here in Hyderabad is a perfect example of how our nations can work together to harness innovation, talent, and technology. And I think we see all of that here in this room today. The life sciences sector, where Amgen is a global leader, is a vital component of this. This is going to contribute to Amgen's growth, but also strengthen Hyderabad's position as a thriving hub for biotechnology and digital health innovation. So really, it's more than just an inauguration of a brick and mortar place today. There's a really gorgeous space here, I think, for those of you who will have the privilege of working here. But it's a shared vision of progress and prosperity between the United States and India. So I congratulate the entire team here. I can't wait to come and pay some more visits and take a little bit more time in your barista coffee room. Just congratulations, welcome, and welcome to India. And welcome to Hyderabad. I believe it's your first time. It's an incredible city, so thank you.
Thank you very much, Ms. Larson, for your warm wishes. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to invite onto the podium Mr. Bob Bradway, Chairman and CEO Amgen, as I request him to address the gathering.
Well, thank you and good morning. I'm delighted to join you here in high-tech city as we inaugurate Amgen India, our new and highly anticipated technology and innovation site. I want to give a special welcome to our honored guests from the government of Telangana, particularly Chief Minister Sri Reddy. Thank you for being with us this morning, and to our other distinguished guests who are joining us here as well. And in particular, I want to thank you, Consul General Larson, for being here with us this morning. We have wanted for a long time to expand Amgen's presence in India, and now, thankfully, that time has come. With its young and growing and technically sophisticated population, this country boasts one of the world's highest concentrations of AI, science, engineering, and technology talent. Hyderabad, in particular, has emerged as a vital hub for technology innovation, thanks to its thriving ecosystem of IT companies, startups, and research institutions. And now a growing number of global players in technology, biotechnology, pharmaceutical industry are here as well. And I want to congratulate the Chief Minister and other leaders in the Telangana government for their success in nurturing such a supportive ecosystem here for technology and innovation. It makes a huge difference for companies like Amgen when government officials in our host communities understand the importance of fostering a policy environment that encourages investment in innovation. Amgen is investing an initial $200 million in this center during 2025, and we plan to make additional significant investments in future years. Our major financial commitment to this center underscores the importance of digital and technological expertise in enabling Amgen to advance our pipeline of new medicines and to serve more patients. We are actively deploying digital technology in virtually every aspect of our business, and this center will be key to enhancing our tech capabilities across our global network. For those of you who may not be as familiar with Amgen, let me just say a few words, if I may, about our company. Amgen was founded in Southern California in 1980, one of the hundreds of biotechnology companies that got their start at the dawn of the biotechnology revolution. And today we are one of just two of those companies from the early years that are still in business and thriving independently. Today, Amgen has more than 28,000 staff across more than 100 countries around the world, and a portfolio of some 36 medicines approved to treat serious and widespread diseases with high unmet medical needs. And with our recent acquisition of Horizon Therapeutics, Amgen is now also a major player in the fight against rare disease. And while our company has experienced much growth and change over the past 45 years, what's remained constant is our mission to serve patients. We advance that mission primarily by discovering, developing, and bringing to market new treatments that are increasingly first or best-in-class innovative drugs, as well as high-quality, lower-cost biosimilars that can make a big difference for patients living with serious disease. We anticipate that the digital and technology capabilities we're building here at Amgen India will enable us to get those and similar candidate medicines through development and regulatory review and into the hands of prescribers more successfully, more quickly, and more efficiently than ever before. Again, my thanks to all of you for joining us for the inauguration of our new site, and thank you to my Amgen India colleagues for embracing so fully our mission to serve patients. This new team is a key part of our global network, and all of you will prove and play a vital role in Amgen's future. Thank you.
So much to look forward to. Thank you so much, Mr. Bob Bradway. Ladies and gentlemen, I'd now like to invite our Honorable Minister for IT, E&C, Industries and Commerce and Legislative Affairs, Government of Telangana, Shri D. Sridhar Babu Garu, to address the gathering.
A very good morning to all. With Honorable Chief Minister Sri Revanth Reddy Garu, and esteemed CEO of Amgen, Mr. Bob Broadway, Mr. Derek, Mr. Som, Ms. Jennifer, Consulate General as well as Ambassador for Telangana State. Distinguished guests, industry leaders, ladies and gentlemen, friends from media. And it is definitely a proud moment for all of us as we mark the beginning of an exciting new chapter. This chapter has started exactly a year back. And informal discussions with Mr. Som and other leaders of Amgen, with our Chief Minister's vision to see the life sciences capital. Not only for India, it has to become the life sciences for the global world. We have invited the Amgen to come and put the shop over here, and tireless efforts from the part of Amgen as well as the Honorable Chief Minister. And the next step is our meeting at San Francisco. It was hosted by Amgen management, and we're fortunate to meet the leadership of Amgen over there. And Mr. David Rees, the head of R&D, has welcomed our Chief Minister and all our team and greeted. And they gave an assurance that Amgen will be in Hyderabad. That has made possible. And I thank the Bob Broadway and his team for announcing a major part of their investment over here. I thank on behalf of our Chief Minister, on behalf of government of Telangana, for imposing trust and confidence in the state of Telangana. And everybody knows, Hyderabad is also becoming the capital for all global capability centers. As we start this collaboration, as everybody on the days has been mentioning about, it will start this center as center for innovation, and it shall create opportunities, and it shall shape the future of the healthcare. Over a period of time, Hyderabad not only established as a global life sciences and technology hub, but we have proven time and again the city can support the most ambitious visions of the world leading organizations. Amgen's Global Capability Center, in the future, definitely, we hope it will be the powerhouse of the digital innovation, advanced analytics, automation, and AI-driven solutions for biotechnology. The Capability Center will act as a catalyst for a change. This fusion of AI, big data, biotech, over a period of time will redefine the drug discoveries, and also it will redefine the regulatory compliance, and also it shall enhance the personalized medicine. And I hope the work happening here will have an impact far beyond these four walls. It shall shape the future of the healthcare globally. A very key priority of our government, especially under our Chief Minister's vision, is to ensure the talent pool should be the future ready. And maybe, all the global leaders over here would have observed, last year we have initiated this talent pool with establishing, a global level Young India Skills University, which shall impart skills. Not only impart skills, we shall reskill and upskill all the employees in different fields, especially in the biotechnology too. We are committed to work closely with Amgen to develop specialized training programs, encourage academic partnerships, and build innovation pipeline that nurtures and the world-class expertise in biotechnology and digital health. We encourage Amgen to engage with our universities, research institutions, and startup ecosystem so that we can collectively create a new generation of scientists, data analysts, and healthcare technologists. The impact of this collaboration will go far beyond job creation. It shall define the future of talent in the life sciences industry. On behalf of our Chief Minister, we are here to say that we assure the government full support. As Amgen begins this new chapter in Hyderabad, I want to say this, you have made a right choice. The city will not just be another site. We are confident that it will evolve into an important and critical hub for you and for us globally. I look forward to seeing the groundbreaking work of this facility will drive to the next level of happenings. Let's make Hyderabad a beacon of innovation in the world. And with this, I would like to invite all the Amgen global leadership and also the tech force over here to have the great stay ahead in the future. Thank you.
Thank you very much, sir, for this reassurance and the trust that you've enabled in all of us. Moving ahead, the moment that we all have been waiting for, can I please invite our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri A. Revanth Reddy Garu, to address the gathering.
My colleague, Cabinet Minister, IT and Industries, Mr. D. Sridhar Babu Garu, CEO of Amgen, Bob Broadway, leaders of Amgen, esteemed guests, good morning everyone. Today, we are meeting to celebrate the success of new partnership. Two global leaders are coming together, Amgen and Hyderabad. I'm proud to welcome Amgen, one of the world's most famous biotech companies, to my city to establish its first development facility here. When I visited Amgen's R&D center in San Francisco along with Mr. Sridhar Babu Garu in August last year, I saw Amgen's great commitment to scientific innovation, transforming lives through research, innovation, invention in medicines and biotechnology. At the time, I had called our partnership a great breakthrough. At the time, with the coming of Amgen to Hyderabad, our position as a hub of innovation and technology in biotech and life sciences has become stronger. You selected Hyderabad for world-class talent in medicine, life sciences, data sciences, and artificial intelligence with a mission to serve patients globally. My state, Telangana, has been a pioneer in life sciences, pharma and biotech. Some of the largest pharma companies are now your neighbors. This new site will enhance your digital capabilities across Amgen's global organization. I assure you, Telangana's vision is clear to become a $1 trillion GDP state, become a world's China +1 destination, and transform Hyderabad very quickly into one of the world's greatest cities. I welcome you as a partner, as a friend. We are committed to your success, your growth, and your long-term vision. I request you to invest in research collaborations, skill development programs, and academic partnerships. To Amgen, entire staff and family members, to every scientist, every researcher, every professional who will work here, I say welcome to Hyderabad. Welcome to a great future. A future we'll make together. Thank you.
Thank you so much, our Honorable Chief Minister, for your presence and for your kind words. I'd now like to invite Sri Naveen Gulapalli, Managing Director, Amgen India, for his final thoughts and to propose the vote of thanks.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. As we come to the close of this momentous occasion, let me first thank Honorable Chief Minister, Sri A. Revanth Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister for IT, Sridhar Reddy Garu, US Consulate General, Jennifer Larson. Thank you for being here, and Sri Jayesh Ranjan and Shakti Nagapan. Thank you for being here. We are, as a Pakka Hyderabadi, I couldn't be more delighted to have Hyderabad being positioned and delivering as a leading technology and innovation biotech hub for the whole world. I would like to thank Amgen leadership for conceiving the opportunity in India, for envisioning this technology and innovation center, and for making it happen really. A big thank you to the project team, Amgen India leadership team, led by Som, to have come up with such a fantastic capability in really quick time. So we bring a huge talent pool in India with the brave new thinking that is possible in the new India, with the legacy of Amgen, 40 years of innovation, to really bring great outcomes for patients and for science. Thank you for the organizing team for this fabulous event. I really appreciate all the efforts. And thank you all. Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Naveen. Sir, please stay back on stage for a moment. I'm going to request other dignitaries to join us on stage for a group picture. Jayesh sir, Shakti sir, if you can join us on stage. Can I also request Ms. Milinka and Ms. Susie Tapuni to join our dignitaries on stage for a group picture, please. Following this, we're just going to give them, our media, a few more pictures. And following this, I would also request our India leadership team to join our dignitaries for a group picture. Maybe also request Dr. Ram Charan to please join our dignitaries on stage for a group picture. Yes. Can we get a little, so if you can just get a little closer? Yes. Maybe some of us can join. Yes. So can you come this side? Yes. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you to our dignitaries for joining us for the inauguration of Amgen India. May I request you all to please be seated. Ladies and gentlemen in the audience, please remain seated while our dignitaries make their way out. Once again, extending our heartfelt gratitude to all our distinguished guests and dignitaries. Thank you, Mr. Bob. Thank you, Ms. Larson. Ladies and gentlemen, that marks the conclusion of the inaugural ceremony. Thank you to each and every one of you for being present here, being part of the celebration. Wishing you all a great day ahead. Thank you.